Francis Dune Uncensored. We have breaking news right now, ladies and gentlemen. The BRC-20 token that you want to mint is being minted as I speak, and here's the information on how you can access that. I highly recommend you guys join the Discord chat. I'll leave that in the comment section. It's for the Sats Hunters. This thing is going crazy. We only showed our early members to our Discord chat yesterday, and this was under 24 hours. We first gave it to them to mint, and it's already at 42%. Guys, the team did not even start minting as yet. This is for Sats Hunters. Highly recommend. If you guys want to be a part of this, you come check it out. This is our token that we planned out a very long time ago. Let me go over the details. Limit per mint is 1,000, so you can mint a maximum of 1,000 at a time, okay? Highly recommend you guys use unisat.io to mint. Okay, right here you see 42% is already minted in less than 24 hours, and this is not even the team. This is the community members, the early community members we have in Discord right now, and we wanted to share this with you guys before it's all gone. Okay, as you can see right here, this was deployed at inscription number 463,000. This is not something that we just thought of yesterday or last week, okay? This is well over a month ago that we inscribed this to be part of our Sats Hunters project, and here it is. Ticker is SHNT, okay? If I go to my actual Hiro wallet, you guys are going to see right here, look at this, SHNT inscription number 463,228 right here. This is my wallet. That's when you know I created this token, guys. For those of you who don't know how to mint, let me break that down for y'all. So basically, you go to unisat.io, you go to inscriptions, or inscribe rather, and you scroll down here to BRC-20. Our ticker is SHNT, get it? Sats Hunter, S for Sats Hunter, HNT. There we go. Okay, how much you want, the amount you want, you could do up to 1,000. Let's just say you wanted 10 here. Okay, you do 10, right, the number of copies. So if you wanted 10 units, okay, of SHNT, and then you wanted like, I don't know, 10 of these different inscriptions, you'll go like this, right? So you get 10 in one shot. You go to next, and then right here, this is the code members. SHNT is the ticker, the amount 10, and then you go next, and you follow the basic instructions, and that's how you get set up, ladies and gentlemen. All of the details we're going to be revealing to you guys on what the use case is. We're beating every single ordinal project that has the BRC-20 token with our use cases. We're going to share that with you guys in a matter of 2 days, but I want to bring this to your attention, guys, because it's running out, and then the team is going to start to mint after this video is uploaded, so it's a fair launch for everybody. Once again, this 42% is only by the people that's in our chat, not even the damn team, guy. Highly recommend, if you're interested, you check this out now, because it's probably going to be done within about 24-48 hours, okay? This way, the people on YouTube, like you guys, could get a piece of it. So I hope that works out for y'all, and good luck. See you in the Discord chat. Francis Dune Uncensored.